Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya ingin menjelaskan mengenai aktivitas yang sedang dilakukan. Contoh kalimatnya, I'm studying English to improve my grammar and vocabulary. Penjelasannya, I am currently learning English in order to enhance my grammar and expand my vocabulary. This helped me become more fluent in reading, writing, and speaking. Contoh yang kedua, I'm sitting my desk and working on my homework. Untuk penjelasannya, right now, I'm sitting at my study desk and focusing on completing my school assessment as part of my daily learning routine. Contoh yang ketiga yaitu ada I'm listening to music while focusing on my assessment. Penjelasannya, I'm listening to some music at at the moment, which help me stay relaxed and concentrate better while working on text. I'm listening to some music at the moment, which is help me stay relaxed and concentrate better while working on my tasks. Selanjutnya, aktivitas yang telah selesai dilakukan. Contoh kalimatnya, I studied English to improve my grammar and vocabulary. Penjelasannya, I'm finished studying English earlier to enhance my grammar and vocabulary. It helped me better understand how to use words and structure them correctly. Kalimat yang kedua, I sat at my desk and worked on my homework. Penjelasannya, I am ready completed my homework while sitting at my desk. I focused on the text and managed to finish everything on time. Kalimat yang ketiga, I listened to music while doing my assessment. Penjelasannya, I listened to some music while I was working on my assessment. It made the activity more enjoyable and helped me concentrate. Aktiviti yang ketiga adalah aktivitas yang sedang dan telah dilakukan. Contohnya, contoh kalimatnya, I have been studying English to improve my grammar and vocabulary. Penjelasannya, I started studying English earlier and I'm still continuing now. This activity helped me build a stronger understanding of grammar and learn new words to use in daily communication. Kalimat yang kedua, I have been sitting at my desk and working on my homework. Penjelasannya, I have been doing my homework at my desk for some time now. I began earlier today and I'm still working to finish the assessment properly. Untuk kalimat yang ketiga, I have been listening to music while focusing on my assessment. Penjelasannya, I have been listening to music since I started my assessment. The music keeps me relaxed and helps me stay focused while completing my text. Untuk yang keempat, menggunakan how much and how many. Using how much digunakan untuk uncountable noun atau benda yang tak dapat dihitung. Contoh dialognya, how much water do you drink every day? I drink about 2 liters of water every day. Pertanyaannya menanyakan jumlah air yang tidak bisa dihitung satu persatu. Setelah itu ada using how many, digunakan untuk countable noun atau benda yang dapat dihitung. Contoh dialognya, how many books do you have in your bag? I have 5 books in my bag. Pertanyaannya menanyakan jumlah buku yang bisa dihitung satu persatu. Lalu ada missing boot, yaitu campuran antara how many and how much. Contoh dialognya, how many apple did you buy and how much did they cost? I bought 6 apple and they cost $3. How many untuk menghitung jumlah apel dan how much untuk harga total. Lalu yang kelima ada kalimat perbandingan dan superlatif. Kalimat perbandingan atau comparative tense, contoh kalimatnya, Alessa is older than Yaki. Explanation, this tense compares the age of Alessa and Yaki. Older than is the comparative for old. Used to show that Alessa X 8 years is greater than Yaki X 5 years. Lalu ada kalimat superlatif atau superlative tense. Contoh kalimatnya, Wulan is the oldest among Yaki, Alessa, and Wulan is oldest among Yaki, Alessa, and herself. Wulan is older among Yaki, Alessa, and herself. Explanation, this tense using the superlative for the others to show that Wulan, 27 years, has the greatest age compared to both Yaki and Alessa. Dan yang terakhir itu adalah dialog di pasar tradisional. Yang pertama ada seller. Hello, how can I help you today? Dan buyer. Hi, I want to buy some rice. How much rice do you sell per kilogram? Seller, I sell rice for 15,000 rupiah per kilogram. How many kilogram do you need? Buyer, I need about 3 kilogram. Can you give me discount if I buy that much? Seller, I can give you discount. How 40,000 rupiah for 3 kilogram? Buyer, that's so good. But can you make it 35,000 rupiah? Seller, alright, 35,000 rupiah, it's it. Thank you. Buyer, thank you too. I will take 3 kilogram of rice. Nah, itulah tadi mengenai percakapan yang ada di pasar tradisional. Demikian video pembahasan mengenai tugas kedua kali ini. Sekian dan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.